Welcome to our cosmic journey, Mars. Casual echoes and the silence of impact. Just before motion, Martian space began as cold rust, dust hanging in still air, static tension thick enough to sculpt silence. Why is Mars like what it is? And why does it even interest us? Mars is a fourth planet from the Sun, red and the last of the terrestrial planets. Though Mars is faint red and may seem lifeless today, but it is the only planet in the solar system that is capable to support life, and it is located in the Sun's habitable zone. What is the habitable zone? The habitable zone is the area around a star that is capable to support liquid water, the key essentials of supporting life. And Mars has that key component. It has two polar ice caps and therefore fit to support life. Mars glows faint red, assembling through aqueous pulses. Impact craters appear mid-spin, memory of moisture stored in surface scar. Ripple burst from Mars not in light but in vibration. Pressure waves through textured terrain. Red dust kicked in reflexive arc. The listening bodies, other planets appear frozen, then slowly vibrate, their movement echoes Mars. Impact pulses reflect through silence. Movers with memories. Mars pauses, scarred yet stoic. It doesn't move, but everything else does, remembering its eruption. Mars is of grave interest to scientists, showing us that life can indeed exist on other planets in the solar system. But what happened on Mars that caused it to be like this? Why not life existing on it? Its atmosphere has grave amounts of carbon dioxide, 95%, causing us to not be able to breathe on it. But if existing on Mars is a possibility, water poles on north and south. We have sent many rovers on it. Mars disintegrates into dusty spiral kinetic memory linger. Motion continues through debris without its form. It is named after the god of war, and its two moons, Phobos and Deimos, are named after its sun. Mars is a place of grave interest. The possibility of life evolving on it is something that has led to a lot of science fiction movies being created about Mars. Someday, maybe we can even go to Mars, but maybe that is a possibility that will never even come true. Mars even has surface there just like Earth, and these possibilities lead us to believe it may be our future.